Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farah Ali and I'm currently 14 years old right now. And today's video is going to be about how to spot bullies and how to become a confident person so you don't get bullied. And also, I really wanted to tell you, I know where you're coming from. At first, I was scared of going to yr7. It's like a whole new world. So you were in a small fish before. Now you're going to a bigger fish. So at first I was really scared. I couldn't really make friends. And then later on, Billy started to target me. And after that, I felt deprived of my energy. I felt lack of confidence. I felt upset. I started to cry at home. Till one day my sister came to me and told, because she caught me crying and she said, "What's wrong?" And then later on I told her everything and then she encouraged me to tell my mum. So now I'm going to tell you the points of how to spot bullies and how to become a confident person. My first point is to walk confidently, always, on your first date. Chin up, shoulders high, and start marching to a person. And my second point is going to be about shake their hand, shake the first person's hand you see, and you say, "Hello, my name is Farah, and I have a ball. We can play right now. Do you want to become friends?" And you start talking to him, and later on you become a friend, and everyone knows you're the confident person, so you can't bully them. My other point is be more aware. Be more aware of the bullies, because you never know when they're going to attack you, when they're going to find you and start spotting you out, telling them they're going to know your weak spots. First, they'll talk to you nicely, sarcastically. They'll say, "Oh, I like your clothes, I like your hair, and then I like your shoes." And then after that, once they know your weak points, you're just going to tell them, and then they'll know what to do. So it's like a popcorn in an oven or microwave ready to pop out. That's you. You pop out, you tell them all your secrets, and then that's when you're doomed straight away. And right now, I'm going to tell you 5 points about school on your first for year 7 and year 8. My first one is watch out. Don't let yourself become in trouble. So don't hang out with the mean people and and then you'll get in trouble and they will later on blame you for stuff that you didn't do. My second one is do not be the bully. You won't earn respect or anything. People will fear you and they won't like you. My third one is be serious about your studies. I mean it. Because I'm in year 10 right now and I started my GCSEs option. And my fourth one is respect yourself and respect others. So respect them how you would want to be respected. My fifth one is take responsibility for your own actions. Don't just blame it on someone, the first person you see, and they get in trouble. Imagine how they must feel. So stand up and tell the teacher that you did it. That's how I'm going to end the video. Bye bye.